Hi guys, my name is Devi and we are back with another interesting video for you all today. If you are someone who is new to the world of digital marketing, then this is the right place for you. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to the concept of digital marketing, how it differs from traditional marketing, and I'll also discuss with you the different types of digital marketing. Also, if you are someone who is willing to pursue a career in digital marketing, then stay tuned till the end of the video. But before moving on with the video, it would be great if you could hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. So moving on, let me quickly walk you through the agenda for this video. First up, we'll see what digital marketing exactly means and what makes it different from traditional marketing. Then we will discuss the different types of digital marketing such as content marketing, search engine optimization or SEO, email marketing, pay-per-click, affiliate marketing, and social media marketing. Lastly, we are going to discuss whether digital marketing is a safe career choice for you. Nowadays, everyone keeps talking about how the future is digital, how everything in our life revolves around internet. Whether you are willing to pursue any higher educational degree or you want to avail any medical treatment, internet makes it all possible for you. So why not be a part of the digital world and let it take your business to great heights? Well, this brings us to today's topic, digital marketing. Digital marketing is simply a form of marketing carried out on the internet. It is a marketing technique which allows people to advertise their products online via different digital platforms using various tools and technologies. Digital marketing is highly in trend these days, and there's no reason why people shouldn't try it out for their business. Although it has gained insane popularity in the recent times, some of us still wonder how does it differ from traditional form of marketing, or which of them is better? Well, here's a list of differences laid out for you. Traditional marketing leaves no scope for customers to directly communicate with the business owners, no matter how good or bad their products and services are. Whereas digital marketing allows customers to interact directly with the business providers via comments on social media platforms, product reviews, surveys, etc. In case of traditional marketing, one needs to pre-book slot for advertising their products on TV, radio, billboards, etc. This in turn leads to delayed advertisements and campaigns. However, digital marketing allows people to instantly put up their advertisements on the internet, where customers can find this business in the blink of an eye. Traditional marketing helps businesses to attract potential customers or target audience only at a local level, whereas digital marketing takes place on the internet, which means worldwide internet users can find a business online and avail its products and services. Lastly, people using the traditional marketing technique for running their businesses are left with very few options for advertising their products and services. On the other hand, digital marketing gives people a chance to promote their business online via multiple digital channels or mediums. Now that I have given you a brief introduction about digital marketing, let us dive deeper into the different types of digital marketing, which are content marketing, search engine optimization or SEO, email marketing, pay-per-click, affiliate marketing, and social media marketing. One by one, we will discuss each of these in detail. Suppose you're planning to start a new business and you want to put it up on the internet. For this, you need to prepare some content that will be posted online. Now, this content could be anything such as podcasts, videos, blogs, etc. To build valuable content for your business, you first need to perform ample amount of research and then analyze these outcomes. This is content marketing. Initially, it might bring delayed results, but think of it as a long-term investment because even if people don't buy your products or services, they'll probably refer to your content for buying similar products and they'll keep coming back again and again. This means you will have a loyal customer base. So either way, it's a win-win situation for you. Once you have built the desired content, the next step is to put it up on the internet where people can find it. But how would you do that? Well, you can make your content appear at the top of search results of various search engines. This means that your business would rank higher in the search results whenever people are looking for similar products and services. This is search engine optimization or SEO. You need to focus on finding the popular keywords or the keywords that are highly in demand. You could also opt for paid searches, AdWords, etc. in case of this marketing technique. One of the most popular ways of approaching your target audience is by sending out personalized emails to them. This technique is called email marketing. You can build your customer base by sending them business newsletters, new product launch invitations, special offers, blog articles, etc. just via emails. Not only does this make your audience feel special, but also results in higher lead conversion for your business. After all, who doesn't want to be treated like they are special? Another type of marketing is pay-per-click. This method involves driving traffic or audience to your business on the internet in turn for some paid amount. In other words, you need to pay the search engines or the platform to book available slots for your product advertisements. Every time a user clicks on these paid advertisements, he or she will be redirected to your business website or source page. You could also bid on highly demanded keywords for the same. One such campaign is Google AdWords that helps you work with this technique. How simple and convenient! I know, right? Suppose you have tried out all the previously discussed marketing techniques for your business, but you still haven't achieved the desired outcomes. In that case, there's another interesting option for you. Affiliate marketing is a technique wherein you can easily collaborate with various third-party websites or online platforms, or even with industry experts who have an existing audience or customer base. Wondering how it might help grow your business? Well, by paying a certain amount to them, you can make these third-party websites and industry experts promote your products and services to their audiences. They can offer unique discounts, special promo codes, etc. to drive your target audience to your business. Social media influencers can also help you in carrying out this marketing technique by occasional giveaways, special discount coupons, etc., since they already have an amazingly huge online presence. This is the reason why affiliate marketing is also referred to as influencer marketing. This brings us to the last type of digital marketing technique, which is social media marketing. In this technique, business owners can promote their products or services on various social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Social media marketing enables businesses to broaden their customer reach, as we all know the power of social media and how it has been on a continuous rise over the recent years. Business owners can put advertisements on different social media platforms, which results in increased brand exposure. Also, greater the number of platforms your business appears on, higher will be the customer awareness. By now, you have a brief knowledge about digital marketing and its different types. Digital marketing is such a buzzing field these days, and in case you are still wondering if it's a great career option for you, here are some of the reasons why you should definitely consider it. With technology on the rise, there's a great future scope in digital marketing as a career. Did you know that the average salary of a digital marketer ranges from $40,000 to $90,000 a year? That's a lot, right? Apart from this fact, you should also know that as a digital marketer, you can keep brushing up your skills and go high up on the ladder. You could choose from among hundreds of online digital marketing courses that are available these days. Focus on building your skill set, and you could surely have a successful career in this field. Also, the role of a digital marketer is not just limited to one profile. You can easily switch your role based on your specialization anytime you want. You can be a SEO specialist, or content strategist, or social media manager. The list is endless. That's all for this video. I hope you have gained much more clarity on the basics of digital marketing. Since in this video I have discussed with you what digital marketing means, how it is different from traditional marketing, what are the different types of digital marketing, and I have also discussed with you if you are willing to pursue a career in digital marketing, then it is definitely a great choice for you. If you find this video helpful or interesting in any way, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos on latest technologies. Thank you.